I will allow Senator Murkomen by virtual. Senator Murkomen. Let's the Ember boot. Yes, Senator Murkomen. You are muted. Put on your speaker.
Mr. Speaker. Can you hear me now, Mr. Speaker?
We can't hear you.
Mr. Speaker, it is the administrators who should unmute me.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Speaker, it's very challenging to be on this side of the chamber. But I totally agree with the contributions of Senator Linturi and Senator Kaniri. The Speaker, this is once in a lifetime opportunity for us to make important contributions to the changes in our constitution. And the country is following, the whole nation is country. They want to know what the Senate is going to say about this very important subject. I don't think we should treat this process like the other processes we've had. We should, every senator will use the 20 minutes that we have to be able to make contributions for posterity, and therefore,
Senator Murkomen, unfortunately, we can't get you clearly. But we can guess what you're saying, eh? Yeah.
Let me give you a last chance to see if we can hear you.
Maybe the Speaker should send me a faster means of transport to land in Nairobi in a short while so that I can contribute from the chamber. This process is too important, Mr. Speaker. Considering the weight of this matter, I support Senator Kaniri and Senator Linturi and Senator Cherargei that we should have more time for us to read the document and make weighty contributions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, Senator.